The universe is vast, silent, and far less serious than it might appear. Across billions of galaxies and unimaginable distances, strange things happen. Planets grow tails like comets, storms take perfect geometric shapes, and somewhere out there, a human being is buried on the moon. In this short journey, we explore 10 fascinating facts about the universe, all real, all confirmed by science, that prove the cosmos is not only immense, but also full of surprises. 1. Mercury has a tail. Mercury is small, rocky, and often overlooked. Yet when it gets close to the sun, something unexpected happens. Intense solar radiation strips sodium atoms from its surface, and the solar wind pushes them into space, forming a long, glowing tail. A tail that, in some ways, would make many comets jealous. Even the smallest planet, it seems, likes to leave a mark. 2. A human is buried on the moon. No one lives on the moon, but someone rests there forever. Eugene Shoemaker, a pioneer of planetary geology, never became an astronaut. Still, his ashes were carried to the moon aboard NASA's Lunar Prospector spacecraft. He remains the only human whose remains lie on another world. A rather fitting ending for someone who spent a lifetime studying it. 3. A planet made of diamond. About 40 light-years from Earth orbits a planet called 55 Cancri. It is scorching hot, hostile, and possibly incredibly valuable. Its chemical composition suggests it may be rich in carbon, potentially forming vast quantities of diamond under extreme pressure. A glittering world, just not one suitable for life or jewelry shopping. 4. Saturn's hexagon. At Saturn's North Pole, a storm exists that seems almost impossible, and yet it has been there for decades. It is a massive atmospheric structure shaped like a nearly perfect hexagon, larger than Earth itself. First observed by Voyager and later studied by Cassini, its origin remains a mystery. Apparently, even giant planets appreciate geometry. 5. A giant cloud of water in space. Far away, around a distant quasar billions of light-years from Earth, floats an enormous cloud of water vapor. It contains more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Not useful for drinking, not suitable for life, but a powerful reminder that the universe is generous with essential ingredients. 6. Lego figures orbiting Jupiter. Space exploration is serious business, but it has room for creativity. Aboard NASA's Juno spacecraft are 3 tiny Lego figures made of aluminum to survive Jupiter's intense radiation. They represent Jupiter, Juno, and Galileo and continue to orbit the largest planet in the solar system. They may well be the farthest traveling toys in human history. 7. Neptune has completed only one orbit. Neptune was discovered in 1846. Since then, something remarkable has happened, or rather hasn't. The distant planet has completed just one full orbit around the Sun. A single year on Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years. For humanity, entire generations have come and gone. For Neptune, it was just one slow lap. 8. A wedding ring, lost and found in space. During the Apollo 16 mission, an astronaut lost his wedding ring. In zero gravity, it drifted freely inside the spacecraft. It floated, bounced off a helmet, and was recovered. Even in space, some things managed to find their way back. 9. Every planet has been visited. In just over half a century, humanity has achieved something extraordinary. Robotic spacecraft have visited every planet in the solar system, from scorching Mercury to distant Neptune, sending back images and data from worlds once known only as points of light. All explored by machines built on a small blue planet. 10. More trees than stars. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. And yet, Earth may contain even more trees. Global studies estimate trillions of trees across the planet, more than the number of stars in our galaxy. Sometimes, the greatest abundance is not found above our heads, but beneath our feet. Which of these space facts amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us what cosmic questions you'd like answered next.